If you would like to know how I made my cat house, please keep watching. So guys, right here I am just spray painting the box. And as you can see, it is very windy outside. And I didn't have enough paint left. So right here I'm just adding the tablecloth black and white print that I bought from Walmart for $1.97. And I put it on the top, bottom, the sides of the box. So I'm just cutting out this print for my sign too. And this Mod Podge is very easy to work with. So guys, while I let that dry, I'm going to start on the top part of the roof of the cat house. And guys, these are cutting from another tablecloth that I also bought at Walmart for $1.97. And I'm going to put this on both ends of my sign. And while I let this dry, I'm going to start on the inside of my cat house. And right here I'm using cushion. You can get 4 for $6.97. And the blanket was $2.50. And I only needed one blanket. I didn't even use all the blanket for this project. And now I'm just placing the cushion in the inside of the box. You need lots of glue for this project. And this is what it looks like now. It's going to be warm and comfortable. It do look a little small, but I only made it small enough for one cat. And right here I'm just placing all the parts and gluing everything together. These stencils I purchased from Walmart for $9 or $10. It was one of them. But I think I did put my E too close to the M at the bottom. But it came out perfect still. If you guys stayed to the end, please leave a hello in the comments below. And if you like my cat house and sign, please leave a like. And if you like my content, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Really, Mom?